So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Depop. So in order to get a refund in Depop, you will first need to open up depop.com and go to your account. Now usually it's going to look something like this, but if you want to get a refund, first thing you want to do is check your messages. Now messages will be located right here, so you can see this looking like an envelope. So click on that. Once you've clicked on that, you can find the chat with that specific buyer that you had for that item you want to get refunded. So click on that and ask them to refund you. If they don't respond, or if they refuse to do so, you can go to your receipts on there and you can find it on your purchases and you will see your order there. Get to your receipt and you will see this section that's called Need Help. Once you do that, it's going to redirect you to your resolution center, which is going to give you the necessary options for your refund. So once you go to Raise by Me, you can see here help me with a purchase, but it's easier to get to your receipt and then choose the option of Need Help, so you can get to your Depop purchases. So your purchases can be, or rather your refund can be looked at, and then you can be given the necessary points or steps to get your money back if the buyer or seller you talk to doesn't reply to you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.